Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I silky smooth texture in the gravy. I have taken 2 tablespoons curd and now will add 1 teaspoon cumin powder. chopped coriander leaves,